Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Troubleshooting DLL Load Failed Error in VPython Programs. Introduction. When working with VPython, a popular library for 3D graphics in Python, you may encounter the dreaded DLL Load Failed error. This error usually indicates a problem with loading dynamic link libraries, DLLs, required by VPython. In this tutorial, we'll explore common causes of this error and provide steps to troubleshoot and resolve it. Common causes of DLL Load Failed error. Missing or corrupted VPython installation. Ensure that VPython is properly installed on your system. Sometimes, the installation may be incomplete or corrupted, leading to DLL loading issues. Incorrect VPython version. Make sure you are using a compatible version of VPython with your Python interpreter. Incompatibility between VPython and Python versions can result in DLL errors. Missing dependencies. VPython relies on various external libraries, and if any of these dependencies are missing or corrupted, it can lead to DLL load failures. Check if all required dependencies are installed. Environmental variables. Ensure that the necessary paths are set in your system's environmental variables. The paths to the VPython DLLs should be included in the system's path variable. Multiple Python installations. If you have multiple Python installations on your system, there might be conflicts in DLL versions. Ensure that you are using the correct Python interpreter with your VPython installation. Troubleshooting steps. Now, let's go through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the DLL load failed error. Step 1. Check VPython installation. Ensure that VPython is installed correctly. You can install it using the following command. Step 2. Verify VPython version. Check the compatibility of your VPython version with your Python interpreter. You can do this by running. Make sure the version matches the Python version you are using. Step 3. Install dependencies. Ensure that all required dependencies are installed. Check the VPython documentation for a list of dependencies and install them using. Step 4. Update environmental variables. Ensure that the paths to VPython DLLs are included in your system's path variable. You can do this by modifying the path variable or using the following commands. Step 5. Check for multiple Python installations. If you have multiple Python installations, make sure that the correct one is being used. You can specify the Python interpreter explicitly when running your script. Conclusion. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the DLL load failed error in your VPython programs. Remember to check for correct installations, versions, dependencies, and environmental variables to ensure a smooth execution of your VPython scripts. ChatGPT.